Hello, the banana challenge. Hello, Dave. Okay, this video is about why starting with low poly. And yes, in my opinion, when you start with low poly, you're much faster than with high poly. Okay, these are the bananas. I do it only roughly. You can sculpt on the objects later, but to start with low poly is, in my opinion, the better start. Okay, I leave the solo view, and here's the workflow. The first object is very low poly. It's created with a tube tool, and I start another object. I use the tube tool, only the path, and make sure that you're the view. Make sure that you're in a right view and you can lock it. And now use the tube. Draw only a straight line and press the green button. And then use the topology settings. The division of the X you can reduce to 5, because a banana, I think, has 5 sides. And at the top there's a radius function. You can switch on every radius and then start adding points. This is as a curve of the banana, like this. Okay, and let's adjust the radius. And at the end it gets a little bit more like this. And here we can make I think the name is trunk, but I'm not sure. And that's the shape of the banana. At the top there's a spline function. You can use it also to make it a little bit, as the curve a little bit smoother, like this. And when you're fine with your shape, you can validate the object. Press validate. And the next step is I clone it. And now you can use the topology settings again. In the multi-resolution, there's a flat subdivision and a non-flat subdivision. And okay, first we can use the cell mask and make the trunk a little bit. I invert the mask, and we can scale this here a little bit. Like this. And now let's use the subdivision. Press on subdivide. And now everything gets smoother and rounder, like a real banana. You can do a step between. You use the flat subdivision, subdivide it one time and turn the flat subdivision off and subdivide it like this. Then you get a little bit more edgy style. Okay, at this point low poly is finished. Now you can sculpt and paint and do everything you want. And the rest is only painting and duplicating and moving it around. Okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.